Over the past 3 years of the Russia-Ukraine war, we've seen an incredible variety of military hardware in action. But out of everything, one class of weapon has stood out the most on the battlefield: tanks and armored vehicles. For Ukraine, most of their modern tank fleet has come through the support of international allies. Russia, on the other hand, has relied on its own defense industry, constantly pushing to innovate and upgrade its tank force. And recently, Russia revealed plans for its next-generation tanks, promising more firepower, cutting-edge technology, and futuristic features. So, what exactly is Russia planning for its tanks of the future? On March 28th, Russian news agency RIA Novosti reported insights from Igor Meshkov, an independent board member at Uralvagonzavod, Russia's top tank manufacturer, part of the state-run Rostec Defense Group. Meshkov shared UVZ's bold vision for what tanks of the future will look like. According to Meshkov, tomorrow's tanks will be modular and adaptable, meaning they can be customized for specific missions. Even more game-changing, these tanks might not need human crews at all. Instead, they'll operate remotely or autonomously, packing heavier weapons and advanced multi-layered defense systems. Despite all the talk of drones and new technologies, Meshkov stressed that the tank's fundamental role remains unchanged. Tanks are still built to do what they do best: deliver crushing firepower directly to enemy forces while withstanding punishing attacks. He emphasized that future tanks must hold on to their key characteristics: all-terrain mobility, tracked propulsion, rotating turrets with powerful cannons, and the kind of armor that makes them the toughest vehicles on the battlefield. However, the reality is, the battlefield is getting much deadlier. Meshkov admitted that as technology advances, tanks will face an increasingly hostile environment. In future wars, especially between two high-tech militaries, tanks will have to survive powerful anti-tank weapons, artillery, enemy armor, airstrikes, swarms of drones, FPV drones, and AI-controlled unmanned systems. To counter growing battlefield threats, UVZ is developing a layered defense system for its next-generation tanks. Meshkov explained that these tanks will combine traditional heavy armor with advanced technologies. Alongside passive and active armor, they'll have extra shielding, smoke screens to obscure targeting, electronic warfare tools to disrupt enemy systems, and laser defenses to neutralize aerial threats before impact. Perhaps most notably, the tanks will include laser-based defense systems capable of detecting and neutralizing aerial threats while they're still in flight. These lasers would serve as a fast-response countermeasure, especially against drones and guided missiles, which are increasingly common on the battlefield. Interestingly, Meshkov noted that Russian tanks already use early versions of these systems, giving them an edge over some competitors. Looking forward, he expects these defenses to become even more advanced, with new materials and engineering pushing tank survivability to the next level. We don't have to wait for the future to see some of this tech in action. Take Russia's T-14 Armata, for example. This tank is already equipped with a 125mm smoothbore gun capable of firing laser-guided missiles that can hit targets between 7 to 12 kilometers away, boosting its precision strike abilities. The Armata also comes with the Afghanit Active Protection System, which includes both hard kill and soft kill defenses. Using laser sensors, this system can detect incoming missiles and neutralize them before impact. It's an impressive demonstration of how Russia is already integrating advanced tech to defend its tanks. And it's not just tanks. Russia is also upgrading its Panzer air defense system, equipping it with a laser weapon as part of its ongoing modernization efforts. This announcement came from Denis Manturov, Russia's first deputy prime minister, during the IDEX 2025 Defense Expo in Abu Dhabi. The Panzer system is already a crucial piece of Russia's defensive strategy, capable of intercepting aircraft, drones, and incoming missiles. But with the addition of mini-missiles specifically designed to counter small drones, the system is becoming even more versatile and cost-effective. Instead of using expensive missiles to shoot down cheap drone threats, these smaller interceptors offer a smarter solution. What's clear from all these upgrades is that Russia is learning hard lessons from its real-world combat experience. In this war, drones have emerged as one of the biggest threats to tanks and other armored vehicles. Reports suggest that drones are responsible for around 70 to 80% of casualties in this conflict, a staggering figure that surpasses losses from artillery and tank engagements. FPV drones and loitering munitions have been especially deadly. These agile, steerable drones act like miniature guided missiles, tracking tanks even into hidden positions and striking at weak points like the rear engine exhaust. This reality is pushing Russia and militaries worldwide to rethink how they build, defend, and deploy tanks on future battlefields. So, while tanks remain a symbol of military power and a core weapon of war, they are evolving fast to survive the changing face of combat. With autonomous features, smarter defenses, and powerful new weapons, Russia's next-generation tanks are being built not just for today's wars, but for the wars of tomorrow. As drone warfare and smart weapons continue to reshape the battlefield, the question is no longer if tanks will survive, but how they will adapt to stay relevant. One thing is certain: the race to build the ultimate battlefield survivor is far from over. So what do you think of this development of Russia? Share your thoughts in the comment below. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.